Okay, so if you are going to be waiting in line potentially, bring the umbrella.
Yeah, you're going to need it, especially at this point in the day, Kara, because now we're just seeing the scattered showers and storms really for the rest of the afternoon.
All right.
Yeah, and I do want to take you back out to DFW Airport because look, I already see delays on our charts. About 60 minutes right now is what is showing on average on my side, so make sure to check your flight times if you are headed in that direction. I have a feeling it's not just because it's a lot of people that's going to be traveling, but it's because of the lightning that's around the area. Right now, DFW Airport 78 for the temperature, but it feels like 81. And there's a look at the rain that really did spark that. There's currently a cluster of storms in northwestern Dallas County. I'm going to zoom in here because I still see some lightning just to the east of Farmers Branch, just to the west of Farmers Branch, southwest of Carrollton, and we'll continue to see just a few of those downpours in Dallas County here over the next hour. But do expect to see the on and off, the scattered showers and thunderstorms for this afternoon. And it's because of this front. This front, by the way, responsible for bringing in the showers and thunderstorms, but also will keep us out of the triple digits through at least the weekend. Here's a look at the timeline. This is Friday around 2 in the afternoon. The front clears DFW with some of that scattered shower and thunderstorm activity behind it. As the front moves to the south, we'll continue to see the scattered showers and thunderstorms. I'm not expecting severe weather today, but I am expecting this to maybe cause some issue on the roadways. You know how it gets around here, so just make sure to give yourself some extra time. This is Friday now around 8. I'm seeing a lot of the activity towards the south, and we'll continue to see the potential for some showers and thunderstorms tomorrow as well, but coverage at that point will be quite a bit smaller at about 20%. Now, the high temperature, because of that rain, only 91 in Dallas, 92 in Fort Worth, 91 in Denton. Many of these locations have already made it there. Your end of the week forecast showing 91 today, 92 on Saturday, 94 on Sunday, about 20% coverage on Saturday with rain, 30% coverage on Sunday. As that front moves to the south, it's going to stall, so that kind of just keeps some of the showers and thunderstorms in the area. But again, not looking at a big threat for severe weather. So there is some good news, and it keeps us cooler. Rain coverage goes right back up Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and it's all thanks to the tropics. So this weekend, the rain is because of a front. On Monday morning, it's an individual system that comes in early on, but then Tuesday, Wednesday, it's because of the tropics. So I need you to pay attention to the forecast every day because it brings something different every day. Here's the latest update on Hurricane Beryl. It made landfall as a Category 2 hurricane just to the northeast of Tulum after 6 this morning, and now has weakened to a Category 1 with max sustained winds of 85 miles per hour. And it's right in the middle of the Yucatan Peninsula. Later today, this is going to move into the Gulf, and moving into open water that is warm is going to give it some strength. So tonight, it's going to stay a tropical storm, but as it moves to the northwest right before landfall, it does strengthen to Category 1 status sometime early Sunday. Early Sunday is when I'm expecting tropical storm winds to exist along the Texas coast. We're talking close to 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts, but all weekend long, we'll probably see strong rip currents. So again, stay out of the water along the coast. This is Monday now at 7 when it could make landfall, so sometime late Sunday into Monday morning, making landfall likely as a Category 1 storm as of the latest forecast just to the north of Brownsville. After that happens, it's going to take a turn towards the eastern side of San Antonio, Austin, and eventually that moisture reaches North Texas. And the moisture likely in North Texas Tuesday and into Wednesday. Here's what it looks like on Timecast. This is Monday. There's that individual system that I'm telling you about in the morning, but then this comes on shore and then takes kind of a shift towards the northeast, and that's what helps bring additional showers and thunderstorms. The added rain could cause some issues in terms of any commutes that happen early on and during rush hour in the afternoon. So again, something to be thinking about for early next week and into the middle of the week. This is now Wednesday around 7 p.m. As far as how much rain, highest totals will be in South Texas. 4-5 inches of rain will be possible, and it kind of dwindles down the closer you get into North Texas, but still 1 to 2 inches of rain in July over the course of the next week. That's including this weekend's rain. That's quite significant. And hey, the rain and added cloud cover, that's going to help keep us in the upper 80s, low 90s in July. That's a treat, right? We are going to stay out of the triple digits at least for the next couple of weeks, Kara.
I may keep my lawn this summer.
I know, it might make it through.